We all love technology, we grew up with it. And over the last decades, we've seen some really amazing developments in tech. We've seen artificial intelligence used in healthcare settings, where, for example, we can now diagnose a disease way before it happens, cancer, for example. Or we've seen artificial intelligence used for precision medicine and for supporting children with learning difficulties. But at the same time, over the last decades, we've seen some of the consequences of unfettered and unchecked and unaccountable use of technology, with algorithms curating and editing what we see, the adverts that we get exposed to, and even the news that we get to listen and to watch when we browse the internet. What does it mean to build ethics into the technology? What does it mean that a technological product is in reality a techno-social artifact? What does it mean to build ethics and privacy at the heart of the technological and digital ecosystem? This is what I want to talk to you about. This is what we will discuss in the tutorial, because one thing is absolutely crucial. If we love technology, we want it to work for everybody. And at this moment, at this time, the digital dividends are not distributed fairly. And if we want to look after our digital ecosystem, if we want technology that works for everybody, then we really need to build ethics, security and privacy at the heart of it. I look forward to seeing you on my tutorial. Thank you.